get you to work on this Haynesville campaign for me. The first step is you can come into my instance of Salesforce or our instance, oil and gas leads. And then if we type in Haynesville and then hit enter, you'll see a bunch of different stuff comes up. But we've got here in the campaign, Haynesville. If you don't see that right away over on the left-hand side, you'll be able to find campaigns and you can click that as well. And then we can go ahead and click it. And then, so this is, and I should update it here, but this would be, we only want to add account records. And then here is the list of accounts. So there's 118 of them, so it's going to take a little bit. And then you just copy it. And then Control C. Then you come over here into the campaign members. And then you go ahead and you can add the account and on here, and then just do a search. While this is open, you don't have to. You can add a bunch at a time. You can say, okay, there I want to add Atheon, and then I want to add Southwestern Energy, and so on and so forth. And we can add a bunch. I wouldn't try to put all the 100 on there. I'd say maybe 20, and then you just say next, and that will add them on there. Then what you'll see when you're done that's the first part, and then we don't really do anything more with this particular campaign. And then every account I want to have a campaign. Some of them might have one already. So you can see here on the list, I've kind of started it, and I kind of say yes, yes, no, no type of thing. So if I come into an example, I could come into XTO Energy, and then if I click onto XTO, and what I'm going to do is I'll go to the account XTO, and in here we look at our campaign history, and I'm looking for the one that's called XTO. So that would be the XTO one. Let's just take a look down here at Pine Wave Energy Partners. Control C and take a look at that. Control V, Pine Wave Energy Partners. There's the account. And then you can see here campaign history. There is none. So then at that particular point, I want you to come up here. I want you to create a campaign. So it'll be a new campaign. Copy the name of the company in there, and then after you save it, add the company as an account to the campaign. So ultimately, it's a two-step process. All of these accounts are added to the the Haynesville account campaign, and then all of these have a campaign associated with it. If they have a campaign, and then in the spreadsheet, put the campaign ID, and again, how we do the campaign ID. What happens? What I've done is if I come into Haynesville here, when it saves, it's on related. But when I go to details, the case safe here is the campaign ID, and we just paste that in there. So ultimately, every one of these should have a campaign ID. Some will already have, like down, I see way down here, Oxy. They're probably going to have a campaign ID already, so you're just copying that over. Any questions? Just let me know.